look at this girl. You guys remember? She's from Canada.
Yes.
Yes.
Right? It's Canada.
Yes.
Where is Canada? Did I tell you Canada is
북아메리카.
it's on North Hemisphere. Remember North Hemisphere?
Yes.
Hemisphere.
Hemisphere.
Okay? And this is the South Hemisphere. Okay, why did I teach you guys both hemispheres? Why did I teach you guys? What is the reason why I taught you guys we need to understand North Hemisphere and South Hemisphere and the climates and the weathers and what's happening? Why did I teach you such a thing? Why did I teach you guys? Because everybody, the weather
The weather.
and the climate
The climate.
and the seasons
And the seasons
are different
are different
from
from
the weather,
the weather,
climate,
climate,
and seasons.
and seasons.
So both North Hemisphere and South Hemisphere, they experience different seasons. Okay?
Yes.
Try it again. Both
Both
North Hemisphere
North Hemisphere
and South Hemisphere
South Hemisphere
experience
experience
different
different
seasons.
seasons.
Right? So what does that mean? Experience. Experience. You experience a lot of things in school and out of school. You experience a lot of things in your house and out of your house. Mostly every day you guys experience a lot of things. Okay? Experience. Okay, remember. Experience. Okay. So you guys go on a school trip, a field trip. You experience a lot, okay?
Yes.
What is the best place for the school field trip? The tomb? Gimsoro tomb?
No.
Is the worst?
Yes.
How about Lotte amusement park?
제주도 제주.
Lotte amusement park, the theme park, Lotte Park, the amusement park.
No.
No, it's not a good place.
Yes.
How about the science
No.
museum? The science museum in Busan.
No.
Don't fart. Don't fart. Jeju-do? What are you talking about? You can't go to Jeju-do.
경주. 경주.
Gyeongju is okay.
울릉도.
I've never been there.
서울.
Seoul? Oh, it's too far from here. It's gonna take 5 hours.
고제도.
No, Robert Land. Gochi Island is okay, but
Goje?
it's still far.
고성.
Goseong. Did I go there?
공룡.
Gongyo. The
이호상
dinosaur.
공룡 엑스포.
The Tyrannosaurus.
Yes.
The Magic Tree House is a good place. Anyway, now Mary,
Mary
lives in
lives in
Montreal,
Montreal,
Canada.
Canada.
In winter,
In winter.
when it is cold
is
and snowy,
and snowy,
she wears
She
a
wears
hat,
a
a
hat,
scarf,
a
a
scarf,
warm coat.
a warm coat.
She also wears
She also wears
gloves
gloves
and boots.
and boots.
Yep. And where is she from? Come on. Come on. Tell me where she's from. She's from Buenos
Buenos
Aires, Argentina.
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 How do you pronounce Argentina in Korean?
Argentina.
Argentina. I get it. Like Argentina.
Argentina.
Argentina is in South America. Okay?
Yes.
So most countries in South America are hot or hotter. Okay. When it is winter in Canada, it is summer in Argentina. So different. Totally different, like the opposite. Okay? The opposite. Write it down, everybody. Opposite. 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 Opposite? Opposite. It means like north versus south cold versus hot. Okay? Boy versus girl. They're all opposite from each other. Do you understand? Opposite. What is the opposite?
반대.
Yes.
반대돼요.
Okay? North, south, cold, hot, boy, girl, man, women. Okay?
Yes.
Rich, poor, healthy, and sick. Okay?
Yes.
The opposite season. The opposite seasons. Angela
Angela.
wears a t-shirt,
A t-shirt.
shorts,
Short.
and sandals.
Then.
Here we go. T-shirt, shorts,
Short.
and sandals.
Then.
Good. When it is hot,
When it's hot.
when it is hot
When it is hot.
and sunny.
And sun.
Good. Now, guys, you can ask you is very simple. You can draw yourself in summer clothing. This is me, David. I drew myself in summer clothing. I wear. It's called, tank top.
Tank top.
It's a tank top. Or sleeveless. This is sleeveless t-shirt. Remember, sleeveless. These are sleeves, sleeves, long sleeves. This is sleeveless. And shorts, summer shorts. And these are sandals. Alright, those are what I wear on a hot summer day. Okay? So I wear a tank top, shorts, and sandals. We can write this way. On a hot summer day, Noaku, I wear a t-shirt, shorts, and sneakers. But I never forget to hold onto okay, hold I'm just going to say popsicle, an ice cream cone. This is it. I never forget to hold an ice cream cone. This is Noaku's sticky paper. Or what about you, Leo? What do you wear?
I wear
Uh-huh.
nose,
You wear what?
nose, and hair, and eyes, and legs.
Please talk about the clothing. I wear a t-shirt,
and
what do you
pants,
just pants? Okay. What else?
and shoes.
And shoes?
Yes.
Okay. What else? He said he never forgets to eat ice cream. What about you? What do you never forget?
빙수.
It's like slush. It's kind of Korean slush.
김치.
What are you talking about, Leo?
The teacher.
Okay. Noah Kim. On a hot summer day, I wear a t-shirt, shorts, and slippers. What else do you do? What else do you do?
I
Do you wear sunglasses or you drink a lot of beverage? The beverage. Like you drink a lot of water or fluids?
I drink many juice.
Oh, I drink
Many juice.
not a many juice, a lot of juice. Too. I is from Korea, Seoul, Korea.
Yes.
All right, Kwan-soo. Kwan-soo lives in Seoul, Korea. In fall, you see the lot of leaves. Saying,
Yes.
where do leaves fall? Where do leaves fall? That's one of the sentences you just told me today. Leaves, where do leaves fall? Really? Leaves fall on the ground. Huh? Leaves fall on the ground. Don't you remember this? Okay. So leaves are on the floor, on the ground, everywhere, okay?
Yes.
Why is that? Why is this thing happening? When it is cool and windy.
And windy.
He wears
He wears
a jacket.
a jacket.
What else? Sweater?
Sweater.
Oh, he's wearing a sweater. Okay? And shirt
And shirt.
and jeans.
And jeans.
These are jeans. Okay? He wears socks
He wears socks.
and sneakers too.
And sneakers.
Wow. He's perfectly ready for the cool and windy
Perfecto.
fall weather or seasons. Okay. Next, and this guy called Pierre. Pierre?
Pierre
Pierre lives in Paris,
lives in the Paris,
France.
France.
In spring,
In spring,
when it is rainy,
when it is rainy,
he wears
he wears
a raincoat
a raincoat
and boots.
and boots.
He carries
He carries
an umbrella too.
an umbrella
He
too.
loves to play
He loves to play
in puddles.
in puddles.
Those are puddles. Okay? Puddles. Okay? Puddles are small pools of water. Small pools. Okay? You can jump on the puddles and you can let the water splash everywhere. Okay. Now, question is, what does Mary wear in winter? Guys, remember? Let's practice. What does Mary wear in winter? Anybody wants to try? You, Noaku? She,
She
yes.
she wears
Uh-huh.
a hat,
Uh-huh.
sunglasses,
Sunglasses,
scarf,
scarf,
gloves,
gloves,
warm coat,
warm coats,
warm pants,
warm pants.
and boots.
Why is that? It's
It's
because
it
it
is winter.
it is winter, or it is cold,
For
very cold in winter. Okay? It is very cold in winter in Canada. All right? She's from Canada. So it's everybody. It's because
it's because
it's because
it's because
it's because
it's because
it's cold
it's cold
in winter.
in winter.
Things like that. Okay, now Leo.
Yes.
Here we go.
Yes.
What does Kwan-soo wear in fall? What does Kwan-soo wear in fall?
Kwan-soo,
Yeah, he wears
shorts.
or Kwan-soo wears shorts? Come on, take a look at this. They're not shorts. Do you think they are shorts?
Shorts.
No, they are not shorts. Short,
Shorts.
not a short.
Short.
You get confused. This is a short. Okay? Short and the shirt.
Huh? Short. Short. Short.
Shirt.
Short.
No, shirt.
Short.
Yeah, shorts.
Shorts.
Yes, different. So he wears,
He wears shorts
yeah, a shirt.
and
Shirt.
shorts
Okay?
and jeans
Jeans.
and sweater
Sweater.
and
And,
jacket
and not this time.
or
Sneakers.
oh
Okay? Alright, so look at it. You have 5 things to talk about. You want to say 5 things. This is how you say those 5 things.
A B C D E F G
Alright? So you want to say, and every time you say an item, and after that. Don't say A and the B and the C and the D. Don't do that. A, B, C, D, and the D. Right before the last item, right before the last item, you can say and only once. Don't just say he wears a jacket and a shirt and jeans and socks and sneakers. Don't say that. Like jacket, shirt, jeans, socks, and sneakers.
and sneakers too.
Where does Angela live? Where does Angela live?
Angela lives in the Argentina.
Yes, Angela lives in Buenos Aires in Argentina. What does she wear in summer?
She wears t-shirt,
Okay,
shorts,
she wears t-shirt, shorts,
and slipper,
and slippers or sandals.
sandals.
Why is that? Why does she wear those things?
Summer is hot.
In summer,
Summer.
it's hot? Okay. In Argentina,
Argentina.
it's hot
It's hot
in summer.
in summer.
Okay. Hey, anybody can tell me where can we experience not hot summer days?
Winter.
No, this is summer day. This is summer, but this is not hot. It's not hot at all.
Summer.
No. In what part of the earth on it's like this is part of the words.
Ponytail.
In
you-
Canada.
Yes, Canada or Norway, Denmark, Sweden, okay? So upper like northern European nations. When you go there, the weather is not that hot, even in summer. Even in summer, you don't have to turn on the air conditioning. Hey, we can't live without air conditioning in summer, right? In South Korea. But it's totally fine living in those European nations like North Europe, okay? North Europe, Denmark, I'm talking about.
Denmark.
Yes, and Iceland. Iceland. You don't need an air conditioner.
Yes.
You don't need it. Okay,
Yes.
good. All right, number 1. This is a Wednesday. How's the weather, Leo?
Yes.
How's the weather?
Cloudy and sunny.
Just as cloudy. It was cloudy. It has to be was because today is
Saturday.
no. Oh, today's a Saturday. Today's Saturday. So Wednesday was
Cloudy.
Wednesday, Friday, Thursday, Tuesday. They're all past. There's all the past.
Yeah.
That they're not the future. And Friday, how was the weather? It was
It was raining.
rainy. How is weather today? It is? Now it is snowy.
Snow.
Alright? This is all past, present. And Seiyun, how was the weather last Thursday?
Thursday.
It
It was
was windy. Great. Now's the weather last Tuesday, Noaku.
Thursday.
Yeah, Tuesday.
It was sunny.
Great. Tuesday, it was sunny. Ooh, boom, 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 boom.
Boom, 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 boom.
Okay. Good. Good boy. Now it's your turn to solve this thing. You read this thing and you write the answers to number 1, 2, 3. Okay, repeat after me, guys. And now,
Now
and now,
and now,
let's talk about
let's talk about
the weather.
the weather.
This is radio broadcasting. So everybody, broadcast,
Broadcast.
like weather. Let's go. Weather forecast.
기상청.
Weather forecast.
Weather forecast.
Okay. So
Yes.
the weather forecast.
Yes.
Here, write it down here. Weather forecast.
Yes.
Its Korean translation is probably 일기예보, right? Weather forecast. Oh no, let's talk about the weather. You know, the weather forecast is pronounced this way through the radio speakers. The weather
Weather
was crazy.
was crazy.
The first part of the week.
The first of
Like the week can be divided into 2 sections, right? The first and the second, right? Right in the middle of the week we have Wednesday or Thursday, okay? Sunday,
Sunday.
it was sunny.
It was sunny.
Good. Monday,
Monday.
so Tuesday,
Tuesday.
it was rainy.
It was rainy.
Wednesday,
Wednesday.
it was windy.
It was windy.
And today,
Today.
well,
Well,
this morning,
this morning.
it was sunny.
It was sunny.
At 12:30,
And
it was cloudy.
It was cloudy.
And now,
And now.
this afternoon,
This afternoon.
it's raining.
It's raining.
Wear a raincoat
Wear a raincoat.
and boots.
And boots.
Take an umbrella
Take an umbrella.
when you go outside.
When you go
Good. So what was the weather like on Tuesday? Let's go to the third line of this forecast. You see the Wednesday was windy. So it
It
was
was
windy.
windy.
It's cool. It was windy. So Noaku got the right answer.
Yes. Oh.
And what was the weather like this morning? This morning. It was
It was sunny.
sunny.
Perfecto.
Perfecto. What's the weather like this afternoon? It is
It is raining.
raining.
No.
Okay? So what do you need to wear on a rainy day, Noakim? You got 5 seconds to answer the question.
I rather rainy.
What do you wear on a rainy day? 5 seconds.
아니. Where
What do you wear on a what do you wear on a rainy day?
I wear a raincoat and boots.
Perfect.
아니.
Leo is the only guy who answered the way.
He is. Oh.
So he
He
intervened.
drinks beer.
Our outfits. We have Leo,
Leo. Yes.
we have
Leo.
Noaku
Yes.
and Ku, North Korea. We have a Noah Kim,
And
North Korea.
Davey.
We have a David. All right, let's start with Dave Teacher. He wears jeans, a t-shirt for the inner, inner wear, and a shirt, What else? Socks.
Shirt.
Right, those clothing, that is my clothing. Those are my clothes. Those are what I wear today.
Oh,
Now Leo
Leo.
has pants, and what about the t-shirt?
Yankees.
A t-shirt, Yankees, New York Yankees, and socks. Good, thank you. Sit down. And now let's take a look at what Noaku wears now. Stand up.
기다리소.
Noaku has a t-shirt. That's called training suit or running suit. Running suit or training suit or training pants. Okay? He's wearing a not a t-shirt. T-shirt. T-shirt and training pants and socks.
Soups.
Now let's take a look. Noaku, stand up.
뭐하고?
Noakim, 1992.
90?
Yes,
90?
He-
92년, 92년.
he's wearing a t-shirt. What else? The pants.
66살.
Oh yes, another training suit. Training pants
지금 비하하는 거.
and socks. Okay, training pants. Sit down. Noakim is wearing a t-shirt, training pants, and socks. What I'm talking about. So guess
Yes.
what I'm talking about.
What I'm talking about.
All right, we're gonna use these patterns as giving clues to you guys. I'm going to use these patterns. All right. What season am I talking about? No, I haven't said anything. What season am I talking about? Guys, try to say it. What season
What season
am I talking about?
am I talking
All right.
about?
People wear shorts, sandals, and t-shirts on this day.
Let me try.
Right.
Is it the summer?
Yeah, it's a summer day. Good. No, cool. So I was talking about a summer day. A summer day. And next, in what season am I talking about? People. Yeah. Wow. So what season am I talking about? People wear jackets.
Let me try.
Or people wear jackets
Let me
or
try, let
pants
me try,
or
let me
sometimes
try.
sweaters.
Let me
You,
try.
Joachim?
It is weather park.
It is weather park?
Bar.
Fall. So you can say this way. Are you
Are you
talking about?
talking about?
Are you talking about
Are you talking about?
fall?
Oh.
Good. Now,
Let me try.
people often wear raincoats
Let me try.
and boots.
Let me try.
You know Aku? Are you
Are you
talking about?
talking about summer? Spring?
Choose one.
Spring?
Yes, I'm talking about spring. Good job, buddy.